Yeah. So you should be able to see a red logo here which says live, and it'll give
Yes.
you the seconds and the ticker. Okay. So we are live and we are going to talk. But because it is zero eyes, I will just,
I like
we will wake up
that.
people. Okay. And we will let them know that we are live. And
Yes.
Anju, please tell your friends who are asking to join
I-
now
I've done
because
that.
now we are live. Okay. I'm
Like,
just going to let people know.
ಕೈ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay. So I think while people join, I'm sure people will join now slowly. So what I'm going to do is before I drop a message on the group also, we'll start off our discussion and then we will, have people joining in, starting to see as they want to. Okay. So for all of you who've started seeing it, this is the eighth episode of our fireside chat. And like I always say, there is no fireside. We are just chatting, but the name sounds nice, so we called it fireside chat. And we're talking to all our contributing bakers who want to share some of the journey that they have undergone, and also to help people understand how they have done, how basically get to know a little bit about the bakers who've contributed to the series. We have Anju, we have Rama, we have Anuradha, we have Sonal, and we have Hema. So welcome all of you, and thank you for taking
Thank
out time.
you.
Like I say, I know it's very tough to usually do it on the weekend, but everybody wants to spend time with family, spend time with friends. So I'm very thankful that you've taken out time to do this with us, and spend this afternoon with Samira and me. So thank you so much for
thank
that.
you so much
Okay,
to
we
you,
have people.
actually. Thank you.
Somebody saying hello, dears. Good, good, good. There are people who are awake, so which is nice. So I'm very happy to see that. So we'll do a mix of some fun questions, some informational questions, and so that we share some thoughts that we have as healthy bakers with the general audience on OMBC. To get started off, I think, Samira, I'll do the first couple of questions and then you can jump in, or we'll just take it as it is. So
Sure.
I'll start with the first question, which actually I think we've never asked in any of the lives, but I think that should have been in the first live itself. About for all of you, because you're all avid bakers, right? You all are doing some level of baking for many years now. So when you look at a bake, the three big components of a bake usually are your flour, your sweetener, if it contains a sweetener, and a fat, usually. So, as per you, which is the most important component in a particular bake and why? Again, there is no right or wrong. Some people might prefer to think that X factor is most important or Y factor is more important. So, this is basically to give people who are joining in an understanding of how, how different bakers think, and what they think is the most important component of a bake. So, any of you can actually start, share your views on
I,
it.
I will start because my experience with the flower is extremely difficult and different because I am being from the north. Half of my family not even heard about millets and ragi and all that, whereas I've been including all those flowers in my bakes, and especially cakes and muffins. But in breads, I've been using oats. The oats, they are still familiar, but not the millets and ragi and quinoa flour. It was very, very difficult for them to me to convince them that these are also existing flours in India, and these are very healthy and good. So for me, it was a very different, as well as it was very difficult experience to use and to see how the flour reacts actually, especially while you are experimenting with the different kind of bakes. Like I'm very used to now for my breads and my savory items, that I'm very used to. But I still have to experience different flours for my sweets. So that is my experience.
So, as per you,
Uh,
flour is the most important part of a bake, right?
Absolutely,
Oh, okay.
absolutely.
Yeah.
so, like, according to my experience, what I felt was moisture content. So I had always issue with this when I tried some fruity recipes and all. And this time, successfully in the book, I could make a recipe which was with the fruit, and it was challenging because like papaya, what I had done, and papaya was so much of moisture. I never thought I would be able to do that baking with the papaya. It's so much of watery. And once I could solve this issue and it was the recipe was done, I was really excited. I said, okay, it's going to go to the next level now in the book. So that would be, I would say that moisture is very important. It takes longer time to cook when you have more moisture. So I prefer doing it as a muffin. So that goes well. And if you want to bake a big cake, it will take a lot of time, like 1 hour or so. So that is my experience, I would say.
That's an interesting fourth dimension, which I think is a very valuable input. That apart from the three major things, we're talking about liquid ingredients. So the liquid ingredients, which are like moisture, like you said, like fruits, for example. Those are most important. Okay. Anybody else who
Yeah,
wants to
in
share
case of,
their views?
I'll share my experience. Like my first bake was the millet bake only. I just replaced the wheat flour with a millet flour. And to my surprise, the cookies are always forgiving. So it didn't make much of a difference since I started with cookies. If it was cake or something else, probably I would have faced the difficulty. But since it was cookies, I didn't find it much difficult. But then the texture was not desirable and accurate since it was the first one. But then gradually with time and practice, I learned to bake with alternative flours. Even now I'm more comfortable with cookies when compared to cakes or cakes. I bake cakes occasionally, not very frequently. Again, as Sonal said, moisture plays a very important role in cakes. I have baked using fruit purees and all. Yeah, there were a few disasters, but then yeah, we learned like that only when it comes to healthy baking.
Disasters के लिए तो एक episode होना चाहिए. We should have one separate
Exactly, I was
episode about
about to say.
disasters.
I was about to say that.
But not one episode actually. I don't think we'll have one episode. We'll have, I'm sure, multiple episodes on
We
disasters.
need to have something like epic baking failures, and then
Correct. I think that's a good name, Samina. We should do that. That should be our
It
next
will encourage,
chat. Epic baking failures.
it will encourage people to try it out, that everybody has this failure.
Yeah, apart from success, and we should have the disaster stories as well to share.
Absolutely. I always feel we should share disasters, because otherwise the new bakers, especially who come on the group also, I've heard this so many times. We go there, we see so many bakes and we see so many different ingredients and we get overwhelmed. We think, wow, this is, how will I ever bake with this? And I feel like telling them, what, that so many of us have never baked with this. If you asked us 5 years back or 6 years back or maybe 10 years back, whatever everybody's healthy baking journey has been, we have never baked with this. It's now that we bake with this. So don't worry. This, you will have those issues, but you will be there also. You'll also be able to do it.
And I think in disaster epics, we should, just have small clippings of our families as well. So
वो disasters हैं.
one who
Family
has suffered
disaster
actually.
नहीं हम अच्छा suffering. Oh, नहीं. You have a very understanding family if they are suffering, Anju. Otherwise, you are the sufferer. Okay? If it is a disaster, you are eating it. Yesterday, this has happened with me. Okay, I told them. They asked me, why did you bake such a small quantity? I said, because if you guys don't eat it, which you will not, if it is not working fine, then I will end up eating all of it, because I don't know, I'll feel bad about throwing it. So you have a very understanding family if they're eating the disasters. I
my
think that
kids
is.
eat. Most of the
Go
time,
ahead.
my kids end up because I normally end up giving a bit of a chocolate ganache or some chocolate always works for me. You give them anything,
Yeah,
zara chocolate.
true.
Works for
डालो, उसके
everybody. Works for everybody. Let's just say that it
Everyone.
works for everybody.
So anything, they won't ask what is there in it. All they like, "Amma, उसपे chocolate है क्या? हाँ है ना, तो बस done. It's gone for the day." So
I
anything
literally have to convince my daughter that this is your, Dadi's birthday. So you cannot have your choice of cake. I have to make her choice of cake. So still, इसमें थोड़ा सा chocolate होएगा क्या? थोड़ा सा डाल दो. It's like that.
बिल्कुल. Seriously, you incorporate a bit of chocolate in some fashion, and then they're good to go. They'll eat most of it. At least it's gone in a day's time.
So
Yeah,
that is
exactly.
marble cake or marble muffins works best for me.
Correct. No, that's true. But I don't know if you've remember. I don't know if you've seen any of the earlier episodes where I had shared that. So my father's not fond of chocolate cake. Okay, at all. He doesn't love chocolate in any form. So my mom used to make marble cake, but our version of marble cake was, it used to be a round, half
I
would
think
be
a couple
vanilla
of
and
episodes
half
ago
would be
you did
chocolate.
that.
She would never mix it, never make those swirls. She said marble cake. And forever we used to eat that marble cake. And then I realized, why the hell, when I grew up and I realized what is marble cake, I said, Mom, why can't you make those swirls? She said, your father will not eat those swirls also. So which is why I make marble cake like this. I said, wow, I mean, amazing this is, what we have to do to feed the family, really.
It's very
I would say
difficult.
that my son is supportive in every disaster actually. He eats and he just tells me it's nice, it's healthy, I like it. He just tells me. Then I have to give his example to my family. See, he likes it.
Yeah, अच्छा है. So basically,
Now they've got used to our
I
disaster.
gather.
Usually, normal cooking also, we end up, having the disasters if we try to invent a new dish. So I think they are already used to it. And now they know that we bake healthy, and they also got used to the new flavors. So my kids, they also learn baking with me. They roll out the cookies, and so it is, the whole thing is a fun process. And for me, the entire thing started I started my healthy baking after kids only, and usually snacks also I don't buy from outside. Usually used to prepare at home. So for me, it was not a difficult thing to switch to healthy baking. For me, there was no switching to healthy baking. It was always healthy.
Very good.
Yeah, I think somebody else had also shared this, that this is some they had started their baking with health from a healthy point of view, which is actually a very good place to be in.
And my kids
Yeah.
are now so used
Flag
to
and
eating
moisture.
anything apart from
Mm.
maida. First thing they'll start, Amma, ye wheat hai ya kya hai? If it is not maida, they're ready to eat.
See, that is what we are. If that is what we are going towards, now
Yeah,
that the
because
kids
for them
should be
default
asking these
is
questions. They
yeah,
should be
बिल्कुल
asking these
घर पे
questions to
default thinking is
us.
with wheat.
Bahar bhi jaake they should ask these questions, so that they will become discerning consumers, and they will tell people that what you should not be selling this because this is not what people, human beings should be consuming, you know. So I
How
think that
I
is
started,
the important thing.
how I
So
started
as
healthy,
of now,
like, yeah.
they don't ask me to buy snacks. They just tell me bake for us. If I don't bake, that is a problem now. अब बस यही बोलते हैं भाई बाहर से खरीदना नहीं बना के अब डिमांड ज्यादा हो गई है अब ये फ्लेवर चाहिए वो फ्लेवर चाहिए डिमांड ज्यादा है
I would say how I started healthy baking, like, I never brought maida at my home and I had no maida option. And I just have wheat flour. Okay, that's the available. Who is going to bring maida? That's how I started. And it really went healthy. I said, okay, that's good option. Now I'm doing it. Then Jowar came up, then Ragi, they slowly added up. So that's it.
Just want to.
Hema, you wanted to share something? You wanted to share about what do you think out of these, or do you want to share your healthy baking journey?
Yeah, my journey started long before. My mom used to bake because on that day, on these those years, we were not using my own healthy baking. So she used to bake only with maida, and after the days comes on, where we are more dedicated to our health issues. So slowly, gradually, I started baking. But the most important thing, I got inspiration from my mom. So she now all the bakings I am making through healthy baking. The first preference goes to my grandson. He helps me more in while baking process and everything. And I started more baking for the past 3 years, and I really enjoy doing baking. So, baking in the sense of healthy baking, but the sweetener, for me the difficult portion is the sweetener because I used to add palm jaggery, and the consistency of that sometimes goes in a tragedy. But however, I I try to make someone, and my first feeding will be going to my second daughter. She told, whatever you do, ma, I will taste and do it. Everything I will eat. So
So sweet.
in a healthy baking means everything is fine and good.
Hema, you know what I wanted to say, that you're a very cool grandmom. Yeah, really. I mean, I'm just thinking in my mind, I wish grandmoms were becoming like this, that
Yeah,
making stuff
yeah.
with
Before
healthy, making so cool. Yeah, really good. I mean, we'll reach there if our kids take us there. But let me just phrase it like that. I don't want to say it. But
actually, I was baking
this is
non.
awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, but as soon as my daughter gave delivery, she was very craving, because on that time we can't give her maida.
Correct.
So on
Correct.
that time I started baking only in wheat flour, because other flours I'm not used to it, because actually all the places we can get all the flours. But after the delivery, I want to keep her in a safe mode. I started baking in wheat, all the cookies, all the cakes, breads. I made everything in wheat. So after that, when he turned 1 year, I brought him, and I was taking care of him. And whenever I start baking, he will going on keeping the what's that blender in his hand. I will hold, and after putting sweet and butter, he will taste. Oh, everything is nice, grandma. Everything is nice, grandma. So it's a wonderful journey for me, and learning all the healthy recipes.
So sweet. Yeah, this is what I like about the baking series actually more than anything else. That so many
Yeah.
different bakers from different walks of life, different phases in life
Yeah.
have and different places, across the world, across our country have come
Mm.
together. I would have never actually. It was just not by design, but it just goes to show that you have so many people doing such excellent work that you just need the right place to
Yes.
put it out.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
to share
yeah,
it, to
yeah,
share it.
yeah.
So
It was
yeah,
very good.
Just a
yeah.
thing,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
right now you said, bakers. So
Yeah.
immediately the foreigners came into my mind, because
Ah,
usually
correct.
earlier it used to be only into the foreign countries they used to bake everything. But
Yeah.
we should just see their sizes, because I am not commenting on the size, but while they use the refined
Yeah,
flour,
true,
that is
true.
how their body started reacting. And
Correct,
look at Indians, we are
correct. Look at
using
Indians.
the healthy flours, and still within the shape only. So
Yeah.
thankfully, thanks to
Thankful,
healthy
वही
baking.
hopefully भी बोलो ना, hopefully भी बोलो. Thankfully से नहीं होगा सिर्फ. Hopefully also. We have to be like this na next many 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 years.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I think when we start continuing with this after this, even if someone offers you anything made with maida, you would not. अभी ऐसी हालत है कि पूरी खाने में भी डर लगता है यार, ये तो मैदा से बना है, नहीं खाना
नहीं
है
खाना,
मुझे,
correct.
पूरी भी आटे से,
हाँ,
पूरी भी आटे से
everything,
बना,
yeah,
वो भी
every
मैदा नहीं
correct.
चलेगी.
I think not just baking. I
That
think
is
the fact that we have tried to replicate so much of the baking and the healthy things that we've
everything.
understood
When I
in our
make
baking
pasta at
through our
home,
this thing.
when I
Yeah.
make pasta at home for bechamel, I've stopped using maida. I use अपना ये जो
हाँ.
मक्के का आटा, गेहूं का
हाँ.
आटा. Then the kids are like,
Correct.
"Ma, are you going to replace maida fully?" I said like, "Yes, there's no maida at home at all for
At
Indian."
all.
Actually, there is no difference, a big difference in the taste of white sauce.
I
I
know.
always make the white
Correct.
sauce with wheat flour only, and the kids love it so much that most of the times I end up having a very less sauce for the pasta. Most of the times it gets licked up by them while
बिल्कुल.
making it.
No, it really doesn't make any difference in the taste as such.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल नहीं. Maybe it
Yeah,
might go
it's
a little
absolutely
faint.
the mindset. It's
Yeah,
absolutely the mindset.
That's it. Yeah. Nice.
Taste has nothing to do with it.
True, it is the mindset. It has not got to do with taste. It has got nothing
Rather,
to do
I
with really
believe pasta or rather pizza and the bread, they are not that chewy. They are
Correct.
soft, and they are more delicious.
Absolutely.
I
No,
feel
that's
the
true.
maida is absolutely bland. It has
Yeah,
no
it has no
flavor
taste
in
of
it.
its own.
Flavorness.
Correct. It has
Yeah,
no
it has
flavor
no
of its
flavor
own.
in it. It has
Correct.
no smell. Whereas if you smell the other flowers, it has some smell, and they have very
Correct.
distinguished taste as well.
So I'm
So
just so tell me something, since we are talking about flavor and maida being flavorless. Do you guys use a lot of spices? Not spices really, herbs, spices, condiments in your baking? Any
Yeah.
specific favorites that everybody has?
Yeah, cinnamon. I
I
use
do.
cinnamon in my bakes, and then
Cinnamon.
yeah, and then jeera. Cumin cookies. It's like it's really
Yeah, it
tasty.
is yum.
Yeah.
Italian
Sausage.
herbs, I would say. Italian
Italian
I
herbs.
have
herbs, pizza taste, in anything.
I know.
I use herbs in my breads. Now I don't make the plain
Correct.
breads at all, because
Correct.
it becomes a meal, and I
Right.
use a lot of vegetables in it. Any vegetable puree, and a
Right.
lot of herbs, chili flakes, and then it's handy. So it works very well for me.
Correct. Absolutely. I think those
I
are good
particularly
additions. Yeah.
like cardamom and soft for the cookies.
Oh, lovely.
They work really well. I mean, cinnamon is very good, but for some reason, my kids are not greatly fond of cinnamon as a flavor.
Right.
So the
Right.
other option I find it is थोड़ा सा roast करके ये सौंफ और इलायची डालो, done. They'll eat.
No.
For sure.
Especially with the Indian flavored, like something like say naan khatai or some stuff, something which is a little more slightly Indianized in flavor. I think that
They
works
work very
really
well. Saunt and ilaichi work very well.
Yeah,
for
yeah.
them.
Soft is a
But
good
they're
idea.
not
actually.
fond of cinnamon as such. So those
Yeah.
are the two alternatives I find work very well, at least in
Very
my
well. House.
They were
Actually, I got hugely inspired by Ravni ji. She's queen of cookies. We all know she's a queen of cookies, and she uses a variety of
true.
flavors in her cookies.
She
She
uses a lot of
uses anything
flavors,
and everything,
flowers.
and yeah, she's really the queen of it. I really get very inspired by her cookies, especially the flavors that she
Right.
uses.
Yeah, in fact, that's what I mean. Her and the good part is that she does a lot of like the flowers and everything also herself at home.
Yeah,
Which
yeah.
is a very good
She
thing
makes
because I
everything
mean,
from scratch.
yeah, because that's the whole idea. Actually, if you want to do the purest of pure in terms of healthy baking, you have to keep the source clean.
Mm.
The source is the cleanest when you actually ideally can do everything from scratch at home. That's where it works the most. Anybody else who has any spices or
Yeah,
specific
I use
favorite? Favorite.
cumin
Yeah.
and chili flakes.
I love chili flakes myself.
Chili
So,
flakes. In wheat biscuits, I use most of the chili flakes.
ah,
So kids love that chili flakes and jeera.
right.
So that and sometimes pepper, the mirchi,
Pepper also, black pepper.
pepper.
Black
So
pepper also has a very nice taste.
and it's so I use like that only.
Good, good.
But
I have recently tried using curry leaves. Oh, just roast
Curry
them
leaf
and
also.
then use in your cookies
Curry leaf. Correct.
along with jeera, and it goes very well.
very
Correct.
well. Yeah.
It goes very well. You just grind it off and then it's done.
Uh,
That also works very well, curry leaf, because it has a very prominent flavor. It automatically gives a nice, good taste. And as a South Indian, we are great fans of curry leaves anyway, most of the time. So it works. It definitely works. Curry leaves also work very well.
You being in South India is fan of curry leaves. I am such a big fan of curry leaves. I can't live without it. I'm in North, and I am like very fond of curry leaves. It goes in everything, almost
Everything.
everything, and
Same
it
here.
smells so nice,
Good.
really nice.
Taste, smells amazing.
I know that's what, even when you're using in your bakes, when it bakes, you can clearly get that smell from out
Yeah,
of it.
scent. Correct.
Definitely hits your nose. It goes very well even in bakes.
I think that is something that we found so many. I think some folks are sharing also ajwain. Some of the bakers are sharing their
yeah,
ideas also. So
Yeah,
they like
Ajwain.
using
Yeah.
ajwain.
yeah.
Kids
Even the
love the
kasuri
Italian.
methi, even the
Ah,
kasuri methi,
Yeah.
oh, its aroma is so good.
Good, so good.
correct, correct. Absolutely. I think these are such a range of things that I'm sure like so many of us love baking with, and I'm glad to see that other bakers also sharing. Somebody shared kids love the Italian
Yeah,
Italian.
mix
Italian.
herbs.
Italian mix
Correct,
and
correct,
And
correct,
even
correct. I think
all
that's
spice
true.
mix, we have that pumpkin spice mix. That also
Yeah.
gives nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, one disaster what I did, I had
You
made such a
want that
spice
to
mixture.
disasters.
Yeah. I had planned for that spice mixture. I made it and kept it in the fridge. So in hurry, what I did was I used the jeera powder instead of that spice mix, and I just put it on, and the taste was very weird. So I and my maid had to finish it off before anybody comes to know,
That's the
so
whole
that I
thing.
can try
The
for the next one.
somehow nobody consumes the disasters.
Yes.
Somehow everybody's hesitant to consume the disasters, which is very sad actually. People should be consuming it and giving us feedback, man. That this is not right.
I have a very big supporter at my place, my husband. Whatever I
That
make,
that is
he says,
golden actually. Let me tell you that. It's very good.
he'll always say, "Arey, acha hai na, de do. I'll have it. De do."
Nice.
He's the biggest
Yeah, I'm
reason for
lucky in
my,
that way. Like,
experimenting and my bakes. Because he's a big foodie. He's a big foodie.
Makes a big difference to be interested in food. Actually, the thing is that the person should be really interested in food, not like
Food.
acha khana hai. We just have to finish off food. It should not be like that.
my kids are too
Then that
smart to
person is
identify
interested.
that if it's a disaster or not. They just eat what I bake for them. They don't know.
If you don't reveal it, a lot of times, actually, see, frankly, like I said, a lot of times they are not baking, right? So they don't know what the end text is supposed to be. You know it's a disaster. Nobody else knows it's a disaster. You can very well
Especially
make the
if it is an
family tradition and say,
experience.
it is baked like this only. This is how we eat it in our house.
Or you give it a different name actually. Fudge bana do. Ho gaya.
That's what I'm saying. Like I've seen so many places. Like I don't know, I can't remember now, but somebody had told me, but we make it like this in our house. And give me the idea that, you know what, sometimes when it does not working, I have to tell the kids this, that, you know what, ये तो ऐसे ही बनता है, and this is how we do it in our house. Every house is different ways of making it. You know, I've said this also to give to them.
It
That
is
also
very
My
difficult. Please go ahead.
No, like I had tried different types of these kind of muffins or cakes, in Germany. So they have different texture, they're so fudgy. And I wouldn't say it as a cake if I see it in India. But they say it's a kuche or the cake. It's for them, it's a cake. So it's so much different names you can get from outside, so that way you can just name them, any of them, and just label them. It will not be a disaster at all.
So,
It will be
so
innovation.
this gets me to the question which is very critical, huh? That who was the most difficult person to consume, most difficult person to convince about your healthy bake? You know, so everybody has that one
You're
person
actually selling.
who to
If you're
convince,
actually
about
selling.
eating your healthy bake. Who's the most difficult?
My
In
hubby.
my case, there is no
Nazi?
one, because actually my husband is a very healthy eater. He prefers homemade food usually. So when it comes to baking, also it was not a big problem for me. So that's why I told there was no switching to healthy. It's always healthy, because cooking itself involves only healthy ingredients. No maida at home, no white sugar at home. So I'm not giving them many options actually. So it's always healthy.
I would
think
say
he
my
was-
mom.
Ah, that's what.
They
Somebody
want
has.
that fluffy one which you get in the
Ah.
stores. No, my son will enjoy it, but my mom, oh, this sounds something different, weird. What happens is
See?
that everybody starts praising it. It's good. Then mom has to surrender and say, okay, yeah, it's good. I think.
Yeah, I remember. I don't know if you guys remember one episode where we spoke about weaning off our parents from the unhealthy eating habits.
Yes,
Somebody
I
had used that
remember.
word about weaning off parents. I think there's somebody else also commenting my MIL. She loves. Next comment is she loves Meda. See, that's what I'm saying. So we are getting options. Now, please keep telling us who are the most difficult people to convince.
I I will share about mine, because it's not one person. It's the entire, because I'm married into a Kashmiri family.
Okay.
And like their cuisine
big
is very
foodies.
famous, like the non-veg and the veg. Apart
Yeah.
from that, the Kashmir has its own breads,
Breads. Yeah.
and
Lovely range of breads.
and lots of different breads,
Yeah.
and it's all made out of maida, all maida. So
Sadly,
for them, it was like the whole family, including my relatives. It was very, very difficult for me to tell them, no, I have made it with wheat, and it's really good.
you have to sell
when
so
you
much to your own family only.
because here, even whenever somebody share a picture, okay, today I got this from the Kashmiri bakery, because we still have bakeries around which makes pure Kashmiri breads,
Breads.
and it's all made out
Correct.
of maida. So now
Correct.
my challenge is, I've just taken it a day before, so I'm sharing it. Now my challenge is that I'm going to make some of those bakes with wheat. Just like
That's a good challenge actually, and I would be very interested to see how local breads, because I think India has a lot of variety in local breads.
because
and
there's
local
around 10,
bakes.
12 kinds of breads they make, and some
They
of
have
them
lovely.
are
They have some
absolutely
lovely
flat.
biscuits also. They have some very nice biscuits also, which are unfortunately maida and white sugar. But let me not get into that. But they have very nice local biscuits also, which are very good.
Absolutely. So that is the challenge I have taken. So I just have to work it on after my
Karo,
disasters.
jaldi work karo. We also want to see and see how it works.
Anyway, then you
Disasters
can
also.
just post the picture. Otherwise, we'll keep saying recipe, please, recipe, please, recipe,
नहीं
please.
नहीं रेसिपी प्लीज भी नहीं लिखते कितने लोग तो सिर्फ आरसीपी
हाँ,
As
Sad
in real
notice.
life.
फिर एफ I don't know if how many of you have heard the story of that writing F there.
We did the F story, yes.
And I don't like, so I write
Depressing
everything
actually to
full
see that F
because it
there.
sounds very incomplete. Somebody has
Incomplete.
put so
It
much
sounds so rude to
effort.
just write F and write RCP. People spend hours to experiment. You can't spend 5 minutes to write some 2 line sentences. So it's very sad. What to say?
But then I think more than half the time people don't even bother reading whatever has been shared there. I
Huh.
doubt how many people read it.
Correct.
It's only about filing it, keep it in the archive, and you completely forgot about that. फिर कोई और नया रेसिपी दिखेगा फिर उसको बोलो
It looks
recipe,
exciting.
please, and then yes, it just keeps piling up in your archives.
No, so
That's
earlier
not
what
picture actually.
I used to tell people that earlier, that you know what, we have 50, actually we have about almost 1500 files under files, okay, So I would tell them that, if you start with one every day, you'll be baking for 5 years, even if you bake
Yeah.
daily.
I know.
I said, now start. So your time is now. Instead of writing the RCP, start today. 5 years, I don't want any RCP on the group till this doesn't happen. So back to square one. After 1 week, I was seeing RCP again. I said, oh, no
But
point.
there could be another reason. Maybe now even this our book, maybe people have started experimenting more and more. So
More.
maybe
Yeah,
it was not taking place earlier, and now there's a lot of experiments happening.
correct.
So and thanks to our pictures, that it looks so tempting. They feel okay. Let's
That
let's
is
make it.
that's entirely Samira's department. The way they have put their focus on making sure that the book is totally aligned. The content
Yeah.
looks like it should look in a high quality book which people would
Absolutely,
want to
a
pick up,
lot
want
of
to
work.
Very
see.
beautifully made.
You know.
Very
Actually, can
beautifully
I
made.
share something here on this? I
Yes.
remember, I think last day of submission was August 30th last year, right? So till
You
the
might be remembering
29th.
this better than me because I was dazed and was wondering कि कोई आएंगे ही
No,
नहीं submissions कैसे
I
होगा.
am such a lazy mom. I shouldn't say that. Till the 29th, I was happily sitting, अच्छा submit करूँगी. And then I realized the requirement was for 4 photos, and I only had one. I have this habit of clearing of my mobile by the end of the day. I do that with everything. So एक ही photo था. So and then I was trying to upload and it was not uploading. So I had to call up Samira and she says like, can you just make it one more time? कहाँ time है भाई कल last day है मैं कहाँ and it's a 24 hours process मैं कहाँ करूँगी all I thought was ठीक है भगवान का नाम लो submit करो होगा तो होगा नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा thankfully that one picture has worked वरना I was quite prepared in my mind ये तो जाएगा नहीं let alone getting printed it will not even go through the first screening done एक ही picture था I had no 4 pictures just one picture and on the last day I submitted God was probably on my side वो select हो गया so when actually Simran announced I was like पता नहीं इसने इन्होंने क्या announce कर दिया let me just go to Facebook and see what is it that she was announcing but
Let
it
me
was
go and
wonderful.
recheck. Let me go and
Even I
recheck.
faced this problem with photographs actually. I had a phone with not so good camera quality, and I was very new to photography that time. 1 year back, I even texted Samira that I'm very new to photography. I don't know how to take pictures. But then I clicked so many pictures, like hundreds of pictures in all the angles, so that at least one would be fine. But still, I had to bake it again, and then I took it. Finally, somehow it got selected. But that was the most, scariest
No,
part
no,
for me.
actually
Even
click
the
the
recipe
picture
was
you take
not
10 to
good.
15 pictures जब
Sorry?
click करते हो 10-15 pictures लो but when you find it as one I end up deleting all of them I have this habit immediately when
Thus,
I know
Pandra,
this
I have taken 20, 30 and deleted them, thinking that, oh God, these are not going to
That's
work.
what.
Like, just generally,
they won't work I
so
know
many
I
times you're
just
just
keep
not
this
able
one
to
of it and the rest of
get a
them are
handle
wrong
around that why it is not working. And that's very tough. I think photography is one of the most tricky things, but there are ways to work around it, which I'm sure, Samira and her team will be able to guide us better, when we do this the next time. But I think this is a very, it's a very valuable thing. And I think it's a big learning for all of us,
Yeah.
including
Sure.
myself, that, there is so much of
Especially
work that
clicking
needs to
from
be done.
angles, that was the biggest
Ah,
learning. From
in fact,
this
the
and
angle of the,
this and
I
that.
think the thing about a
in the,
cookbook or a recipe book is
see,
that
see,
the first impact is from the picture. That's
yeah,
where you first realize
Absolutely.
the first decision is made when whether you want to cook this or not, on how it's visually looking. And
Yeah.
sometimes dish looks very pretty, but the photograph
very true.
doesn't do justice to it
I
because you may
Correct.
have either it's not lit up properly or it's lit up too much or
Yeah.
the colors are completely off, so all those things matter and impact the outcome significantly. And therefore, when we suggested that we wanted one vertical, one horizontal, oftentimes what did happen was same frame, but it was cropped differently, which is not what we were kind of looking for. We were kind of looking for, okay, one could be a top shot, one could
Awkward.
be slightly angled, one could be, different ways of
different
representing that
angles
same food. So a close up of one portion of the meal on how it ends up on your plate rather than the entire dish. So there are several variations that would have kind of allowed to make it more. But yeah, that's like Simran said. The next time around that we do it, this is something that we do plan to kind of speak about and see that we make it a little more
no now
exciting
we are
for
actually
everyone
preparing
also to.
mentally
Yeah.
because अगर कोई एक और series होगा we need the photos so we're making sure the photos come out well and we are
पहले
scoring
भी
the
photos ले रहे हैं. See,
पहले
people
से
have become aware now ना कि ऐसे photos अभी we must keep photos at least. We should have our photos ready with us at least to some extent.
Yeah,
So that we
absolutely.
can submit
book में ही देखेंगे, there is like a wide variety of photographs that have made it.
photos,
So everybody has a different way of looking at things.
looking
So
at
if
things.
you see it one page just at the pictures, you see
Yeah.
the range with which people look at. And by the way, I don't know if all of you know, but Anuradha here is not only just enjoying photography, but she writes poetry, she dances, she sings, she cooks, and she
Arey
bakes.
wow.
And
Wow.
all of these are her talents.
All in one.
And
All in one.
she looks at making
Actually, no,
junk healthy.
thanks to the healthy baking book series. Because of that only, I started my photography. I started learning new techniques. Now, I can proudly say, like, I can style the food. Basically, I can style it in a way that it looks appealing. I've
No,
come
but
to that
Anuradha, you
level.
couldn't have started dancing and singing because of books, right? I'm just thinking, मतलब इतना मुश्किल नहीं था photos लेना कि तुमको गागा के अपने को वो करना पड़े, encourage that I have to take this photo, or you have to like write so much poetry that हमारे forms भी ऐसे नहीं थे यार. So we want to, but so that's obviously good talent that you have already. So and it's so nice to know that you follow those actively. Do you do those, you follow that
Yeah,
regularly?
again,
Which is so
thanks to the
nice.
lockdown only I explored all of this. There was a break after marriage and kids, but I'm
Correct.
part of lot of women groups where they conduct contests and they encourage a lot of talents and all that. So I've
Good,
been
good.
exploring that way.
That's lovely.
Nice, right. And
Very
I think
good.
Anuradha, you also keep finding innovative ways to make junk food healthy, right? I think that's something that your family really loves, and you keep finding ways to do that. So you want
Yeah,
to
yeah.
tell us more about how you go about such innovations and converting
Yeah,
junk
so
to healthy?
yeah, see, I love cooking new dishes, so I keep exploring. I actually I go through a lot of YouTube videos and I never replicate one video. I see a lot of videos for one dish itself. So then I finally come to a new recipe of myself. I refer all, and then I either mix them all up or add something more, modify them. I never replicate one individual video. So in that way, we are able to replicate a new dish. We get inspired from various videos, but then we are able to add our our secret thing
Our
also
touch.
in there. Yeah. So that's how I do. But for baking, it was like totally new for me. So still, I'm very very amateur only in that. But still, I'm learning. I have experimented mostly with cookies, not with cakes and breads.
Right.
Good,
Thank
very
you.
good.
Sonal, my next question is for you. So I'll just describe Sonal for everyone first, and then I'll put my question to you. So I believe you have a background in nutrition, and you are also a yoga instructor, and you are also trained in microgreens, and you are experimenting with a lot of gluten-free and vegan food. Am I right in my description of you? Yeah, you're on mute.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
So, what I see somebody who is, I think, holistically involved in health. It's not just about the food that you put in. You're looking at life very holistically. So, how do you bring that into your bakes, and how do you? I mean, can you take me through your thought process when you're trying to bake something that is healthy, and how you draw upon all the other aspects of your life to kind of achieve that?
So yeah, I would like to say is like I would see first the flours. Like as I am also gluten free, I follow gluten free diet and a little healthier side. I try to include like jowar, ragi, such stuffs into my bakes, and then I include also coconut oil, which I feel is a good oil. I feel that's what according to me, I feel it's really good, and I really like the taste of it. It gives texture, nice taste it gives and brings the hardness to the your cakes, like ragi, jowar and all, they are little crumbly in nature, right? So when I include this coconut oil, it makes little hardness. So that's what I feel when it's kept in the fridge, it gets little hardened. So it's healthy also, and it's little bit like healthier way of cooking, baking, I would
Right.
say. Then
True,
I
true.
try to include like fruits usually. So because my son likes different varieties of, like sometimes I add papaya, like I said. Then this time I experimented on cucumber also, which my mom had made this recipe. Like it was a tradition they used to make in Janmashtami day, and that was my favorite actually. In birthdays we used to not bake cakes. Actually, we used to make this cucumber cake with rice and the cucumber. It was so it was
Wow.
specific way of doing it. And then when I was in my mom's place, I just thought, why don't I try it in savory version? Because my son is not eating that that particular dish which we usually make. It's called tausari, in Konkani version. I'm Konkani, so I wanted to make him eat it with cucumber and those flavors and wholesome meal. It's like rice is there in that, cucumber is there, and all other vegetables in that. So that's what I created that recipe, and it really worked well. They liked it. So that's how I keep experimenting. Every time I say, okay, in this, what can I add healthiest? So that's how I keep adding, and even I can eat it guilt free. That is the main thing. I just want to eat myself also.
So when you're putting it in your mouth, I think that's something we need to remember, all of us, that when we are putting it into our mouth, we should feel guilt free, and we should know that what we are putting into the mouth is something healthy, and that we are nourishing rather than just satisfying a craving or satisfying the
Exactly.
taste
Yeah.
buds.
True.
So you're giving your
Absolutely.
mind, body, soul, everything nourishing.
The
Thank you
food,
so
right
much.
food. Thank you.
Rama, I think you are also currently getting certified as a yoga instructor.
I am a certified yoga instructor.
Okay, okay. And you also love to work with healthier alternatives rather than uh, regular baking. So, can you tell us a little bit more about yourself and what drives your passion for this?
Contrary to everybody else who concentrates on their family, I am someone who concentrates on my hunger first. I'm
Okay.
a hooker. I am forever hungry. I wake up thinking, आज मैं क्या बनाऊंगी क्या खाऊं. That's the
That's
kind of
nice.
mindset.
Yeah, I'm glad to hear that somebody like that. This is what
Very
people
No,
should
happy.
be.
bilkul, because see, I grew up in South, but most of my friends, 90% of my friends were Marwadis because we had a huge Marwadi community in Visakhapatnam. So I've seen two different kinds of food cultures. So food
Right.
is always very fascinating to me. So I wake up thinking, आज मैं क्या बनाऊं क्या खाऊं. And 2016, we had a bit of a health issue with my husband. And at around the same time, there was news about, commercially made breads having carcinogenic elements. So at around the
Right.
same, it all
Yes.
fell in place at the right time. And then I saw Akila's filter coffee cake, like I told yesterday.
Yeah.
Very contrary to my nature, I never normally go into anybody's profile on Facebook. I've never done that. But I was so mesmerized with, because when you see in some of these baking groups, they're all fancy cakes, something I
Yeah.
cannot achieve. And
Correct.
amidst all of that, Akila's cake has come up. I said, this is totally achievable. Let me just go through
Yeah.
her profile. I just went. And that's where I bumped into OMBC. I said, look, ठीक है देखते हैं क्या है ये OMBC. And that's when I started baking. यार मतलब baking can be anything other than maida and white sugar. And
Right.
I have never baked before that. I was only about eating bakes, but never about baking. But then my kids were growing up. They are just as fond as I am with food. And Ravi was going through his cancer treatment. So we needed
Right.
something that is
Yeah.
everything is homemade, because my regular
Correct.
food, I make all the spices from the scratch at home. There's nothing that is
Right.
store bought. Everything is homemade. Call your sambar powders. Everything is homemade for me. So
Right.
why not even bake? So there's no point in getting a loaf of bread from outside when you don't know what
Correct.
is going into it. And the kids were
Absolutely.
growing up, they always wanted something sweet to eat. So I can even control the sweet levels in that. I knew
Yeah.
what was going to go. So that is when it started. I am not a very experimental baker, I should be honest. I play it very safe. Even now, I play it very safe. Before I want to experiment with the flour, I go around 100 recipes. I make sure what are the common elements that go into every of those bake with that particular flour, and only then I would experiment. I hate it when it fails, so I am not ready for a failure then. So it has to be food. I'm not very
Fine,
experimental with
and
cooking.
whatever works for your body and your health is good too, right? The end
Yeah.
objective is you need to consume healthy
Absolutely.
food and
And
Absolutely.
making
thankfully for me, the kids were not fussy. The kids are super supportive. They're not fussy. As long as it is homemade, they would eat. And so is my husband. So nobody questions ki, what has gone into this. If you have made it, we are eating it. So it works perfectly well. It works
So
perfectly
nice.
well. So there's no questioning there
Rama,
at
I
all.
have to say thank you for one thing, highlighting one thing that you started the journey for yourself, and I think
Yeah.
that is a very
I think
beautiful
that's
aspect. Uh, uh, it's not
I
everybody.
started because it's not always about satisfying what the others like. Even you as a person have to eat something
absolutely
that you like.
Absolutely, yeah.
No,
correct.
even you should eat. Why are you always
Correct.
about thinking? It's not like you shouldn't think. As much
Correct.
as you think about others, you should also know what your desires are. So I bake.
Correct.
Thankfully, like I said, whatever make, they're all about to eating it. So it worked for me. So there's no problem. And even if I know it's not going to work, थोड़ा ऊपर से chocolate drizzle करो and we are good to go with that.
हो गया.
So they'll definitely eat.
No, I
That's
think
how
that's a
people
very, I
use it.
agree with Samira, I think such a important thing, I think, which so many of us forget, because I mean, and like I said, not to take away from the fact that so many of us have maybe started this journey because of our kids, but actually, I think that somewhere down the line, we forget that, that we are important, and we make the bake attuned to the taste of XYZ, everybody else in the
True.
family. So this person likes it this way, this person likes it this way, this person likes it this way, but you never ask how do you want to eat it, so you never
And you
ask
question
that, or you
yourself
never
what
check
you
for
want. You
that.
never get an answer कि आपको क्या पसंद है.
Yeah,
You never get an instant
oftentimes you
answer कि
don't
आपको
know
क्या.
also, because you've not spent enough
You don't
time.
even
Like
know.
for me, some of the things that I think, oh wow, this is yum, why did I not try this earlier, was because I didn't know that I liked it, because I've not spent
I know.
enough time. I've not spent enough time, which I should have, in trying to understand what I actually like. I think that is a big thing.
So
Well,
I
also
have
for me,
5 members in my house. One, my daughter, my in-laws, my husband, and me. Okay, all 5 of us have extremely different tastes and extremely different preferences, to the point that we are particular about even texture and color of food. So what happens is, oftentimes we end up preparing a la carte meals for each of them, and then mom-in-law and me, we end up taking the best of each for our plate. So essentially, that's what I think most homes it happens, that the focus shifts on,
Correct.
okay, what everybody wants,
Correct.
and now slowly I have kind of started, okay, I need this in my diet, my body is craving this, let me prepare
Yes.
this for myself. So
Correct.
I really can agree with what Rama has brought out here, and the importance of that fact. Prima, I want to ask you one question. I think this is something that we've spoken a lot about in our previous episodes also. Healthy baking twists on traditional dishes, something which is your forte.
Okay.
So, the savory somas that you prepared for the book,
Yeah.
and that was really quite interesting.
Okay. Thank
So,
you.
and like you said, you started preparing healthy bakes for your daughter while she was
Yeah.
pregnant. So,
Yeah.
how has this entire thing, we are used to a certain way of cooking for, generations after generations. Our mothers teach us, our grandmothers teach us, and
Yeah.
now we
Yeah.
are breaking the barriers with
With
trying
the same.
healthy baking experiments.
Hmm.
Can you tell us
Okay.
about
Okay.
that?
Hi, Samira. First, very happy to see you and meet you through virtually. And I got the inspiration of, as I told, from my mother, the dish I prepared. But
Yeah.
she usually used to make it in a sweet version. So I thought of giving a twisted version, as I told you, my daughter was delivered the recent times. So I want to give it a twist to be an healthy also, because on that times we have to give an healthy, and in baking, I was in a baking mode because I want to give it in a twisted version. So I selected the both the items, the what I gave in the recipe. So I first, it was a trial only. I didn't know whether it will come out, because it should be very crispy, no, the baking item. So I want to give it a twist, and I tried my level best to make the recipe come out very well. And apart from that, I'm trying all the new items in the books also. But the this one, the particular dish, what I prepared, it just took me half an hour, and and it came out very well, and it was liked by my all family members. And but I didn't really, I am going to submit one of the competition. So still I didn't relieve it. This was the recipe I have given, and it has won. But I have told them it has published in the book. But still now the recipe has not gone inside my family members also. So I have, it should be I want, as you told, and some Simran told, I want everyone to get the books in their own hands and try the dishes. It will be helpful for us also, and it will be helpful for them also. So simply giving the recipe, it won't be so good. No, but generally all the bakers also worked hard, and Samira and Simran, you both also worked hard to bring the book to our hands. So it was like that.
Nice to hear that, Imran.
हाँ, काम तो
Uh,
हुआ है काफी.
Patience is very hard, and
what?
what you
We have
said is
worked really. Actually, you're right. We have worked very hard. I mean,
Yeah,
you look at our
yeah, yeah.
faces and match it with our photos from 1 year back.
Oh
I'm
my God.
serious. You know
Yeah.
how little we have slept in the last 1 year. You will
Actually,
notice. You know
actually,
that.
I received the book. I received the book, but not yet seen through properly because my grandson is grabbing all the books. Mera book hai, mera book hai, mera book hai.
That is for sure. My
Yeah,
son is digging in and out of that book, I'll tell you. He's
yeah.
whole day with
I'm
all
so
the three
afraid
books.
because he's just 3 years old. If he tear me, my heart will
Ah.
burn. So I hidden the book very safely. Now only has
Same
gone
here.
to.
I thought that's what I told my children today in the afternoon. They saw I was seeing some stuff from the book, and today in the afternoon, my son just picked it up. So I said, "Have you washed your hands?" He's like, "My hands are clean. I have not done anything." I said, "You are sure you didn't eat anything and touch the books?" He's like, "No, I have not eaten anything." Then you so
सिमरन, आप
funny.
बाहर डाल के तो देख रहे हो, मेरा तो तीनों बुक्स एक अच्छे से प्लास्टिक बैग में डबल लेयर करके वो मैंने मेरे लाइब्रेरी में रखा.
So when they were in those books, right, in the carton, na, in the cover inside those brown
Yeah,
boxes,
yeah.
right? I have those brown boxes kept with me. My husband is telling me, "Raddi mein bechogi usko. Why have you collected those?" I said, "Because they're precious to me. I will keep them for the rest of my life." I said, "I'm not going to put them anywhere." I said, "I will never discard them." He's like, "Your books are very nice. Keep them safely. Keep them inside. But why do you need the boxes?" I said, "I need them." I said, "I will keep it in my cupboard. Nobody will touch my cupboard."
Nice, nice. Anju, last set of questions for you, last but not the least. So you're a Punjabi girl married into a Kashmiri family. You have big sweet tooth from what I understand. So you love to do innovative baking with sweet dishes. And I think you also love to convert junk food into healthy baked items, right? And you spoke
Absolutely.
about your spices. So, and I believe you're taking this venture or this passion for healthy baking into a next level.
I plan to actually, you have asked a very right question, because right now I am so confused, because I just could not, believe in myself that at one time I can have two passions. See, I've been into garments from so many years, and it was there in me from my childhood. But one of my college friends, she actually, in a way, she is the reason I got into baking. Because from my college time, her name is Shalini, she is also in the group. So from our college time, she used to bake one cake, which used to come out so well. And but that was made out of maida. And for me, get into the baking was, it was me myself, because I had so many issues, health issues, and from 73 kgs to I came to 61 kgs.
Wow.
So for me, it was like, it took me, I think, 4 5 months or so. And from last 9 years or 10 years, I've been maintaining that kind of a weight. For my whole entire family knows, okay, when it comes to food and timing and the type of food, so Anju will be particular. So it is not only my own family, I'm talking about the
Extended
relatives as well.
relatives. Yeah.
So even by, it's at times it feels bad that you have taken an early dinner, but fortunately I'm so blessed that I am in such a family where even my relatives, they support this. Okay, fine, if she's having a dinner at 7:38, it's fine. So for me, baking is like, I am so confused right now. Should I, take up as a full career and just go ahead with it, or should I, because I recently launched my own brand in girls
Right.
dresses, and
Right.
that is because it involves baking and garment, both involves a lot of creativity.
Yeah.
And even my day to day routine food, my sabzis, it's never tastes the same way. I will always, make it in a different way. मैं नहीं खा सकती रोज एक जैसा खाना. आज भी वैसे ही बना है, कल भी वैसे ही बना है. It's not possible for me.
She's full
I'd rather
Punjabi. Yeah,
not
she's
eat
full
it.
Punjabi.
So for me, it's like, my mother-in-law is from Kashmir and I am from Delhi, and I make typical authentic Punjabi food, and my mother-in-law makes absolutely Kashmiri food with soft flavor and all that. But both the cuisine goes really well. One day we are having Kashmiri and another day I'm experimenting something, and they all have to go for it. But baking is something, it works like a therapy for me.
Therapy.
Yeah.
Absolutely, I look forward. Nowadays I'm baking breads almost, I think, second day. And I
Correct.
look for, because I have put an alarm 4 o'clock, because I have to put my daughter on for sleep, and then 4 o'clock I'll just get up because I get the kitchen khali. Absolutely, no maid coming, nobody is coming. So I'll just start baking my bread. So that's where that is what the baking means to me.
There
I
is also
really look
passion
forward.
to wake up at 4 o'clock and start baking is also a lot of passion. I think you really are ready to take it
Absolutely,
to. You are ready to take it to a business.
because
Actually, frankly,
because
if you have that
you're
kind of, if you have that kind of discipline, I think that makes a big difference.
हाँ, because I cannot work in इधर कोई है उधर कोई है, and then the recipe goes haywire,
Correct.
especially when you're experimenting. So it's like somebody mentioned, I think Sonal mentioned कि उस herbs की जगह पे जीरा डाल दिया. So I don't like anybody while I'm doing something. So
To
I
be
prefer
around.
कि कोई ना हो. So I'll be, because I'm an early riser rather than
Right.
sleeping late. I can't do that, but I can get a 4 o'clock in the morning and do my things.
Wow, it's nice.
ये अच्छा है यार मतलब I think that is a good this thing. See, yeah, somebody has also said variety is the spice of life. One of the bakers who's seeing the live is saying variety is the spice of life. That is true.
Absolutely.
And true baking for me also is therapeutic. I think most bakers who bake now will, I mean,
Exactly.
regularly
Find
will
baking
actually
therapeutic.
find it therapeutic. Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
sure.
true.
So I think we are pretty much, I am sure that we are fairly done. I think unless anybody has last thoughts about basically what I want to wind up this discussion with is about how you
I
feel,
want to say
how you
something.
feel about being published authors, how you say that. And
Ah,
after that, I would like to hear from all of you, Samira, and I would be very happy to know how you feel, about being published. I think, I'm sure, I mean, it's exciting, but I think if you can all share your own
because
personal experiences.
I'll say, because I have one part is sad and one part is very exciting. So that is why I'll start. For me, I have one incident also to share. I did my post graduation in retail management quite a few years back. And very excitedly, I went to meet my parents. Okay, fine, I'm postgraduate now. So immediately, my father said, "What is the point? बाकी बाद में जाके तो रसोई में खाना ही बनाना है." So
Hmm.
it was like I sat like
Correct.
this. So although he's not with me any longer, so but this is a tribute to him. When I got to know about the books, and I thought, now I really have to work this out, and I have to experiment certain things which get selected, and even sitting above, my father can feel proud of me, and that is
Wow.
the reason I added Dhawan in my name.
Huh.
That's the reason, because that surname belongs to him.
Correct.
And when for a
Arey, it
very,
belongs to you also. It'll always be part of you. It'll never, that doesn't go.
because
It
when
is
I
always
didn't
going to be
receive
part of
any
you.
mail for a very long time, I thought, oh, I don't know what went wrong. And then suddenly, 1, 2, 3, 4. I said, oh my God, this is, bonus. That all got selected. So it was absolutely, I'm getting goosebumps right now. It is very, very precious, and I feel really, really proud of myself.
You should. You should be very, very. Actually, I think that is the way you summed it up. I think it's beautiful that everybody should be very, very proud of being in such a it's a phenomenal series. I'm not saying this because we've done it. I would have said it anyways. If somebody else would have done it also, it's really phenomenal. So I think so nice to hear that, Anju, and I think I'm sure your dad is definitely proud of you. I think
Abs-
parents never go. I just say that I don't know how to explain it, but I think parents never go from our lives at any point in time.
Because on
It doesn't
Rakhi Day,
happen.
I carried my books because
Uh,
I wanted to show my name to my mother.
see,
That, see,
that's
my
what
name is written in,
in the
it
book.
got published in this book. So it was
Correct.
very, very precious for me. Very precious.
So lovely. So lovely to hear that.
I think it's really
Anybody?
nice,
Yeah.
right, to have your name in a book. We've only been
Exactly.
seeing people like, all these international chefs, and Sanjeev Kapoor. These are the only people who suddenly your name, even if it is just a single recipe. But if
Correct.
someone felt that you're worth being selected and your name be put
Correct.
there, that's most important. That kind of gives you a bit of a confidence. Yes, you know a bit of something. You may not be a pro,
You
but
know
you
a lot of
definitely know a
something.
bit of
You
something.
know a lot of something, yeah.
That's what. Because when, like I told you, I'm not a very experimental baker. But when something works out, the first thing I do is write it down and post it on OMBC. Because that is my library. I know I go and go back even if I lose the recipe in my book. It's definitely going to be in there. So that was one of those recipes. And when Simran sent a message, please submit this recipe for this book series, I was like, man, I don't have the confidence. But if she is saying that I should submit, probably there is something that is worth submitting about the recipe. I wouldn't have by myself done it for any reasons. I saw the post. I saw her post about asking bakers to submit their bakes. I did see that, but I kept quiet. I said like, मेरे पास तो कुछ है ही नहीं which is worth being submitted. It's when after she sent a message saying you should submit. I think you should submit this. This is worth being submitted. That's when I thought probably whether it gets selected or not, at least to be able to submit itself was a big thing for me. And like I told you, I had absolutely no hopes because लास्ट डे सबमिशन था, एक ही रेसिपी है, एकदम गंदा वाला फोटो था.
Gandhi wali photo.
I had no hopes at all, but then I was happy when submitting it. I mean, got
Wait,
selected.
Rama, I was very polite. Like you said, I said I think you should submit. There are people who have just sent one word saying submit, submit, submit. I think that's what I realized with a lot of bakers, especially on OMBC. They think what they're doing is regular baking. When they don't go outside and see that this is not regular baking, this is extremely experimental.
I have specifically seen you.
So
I have specifically seen your comments, Simran, in a lot of people's, under the recipe. Please submit your recipe. Please submit. Because you felt that it's really nice and they can submit it, but they were not realizing themselves.
Yeah, actually, that was very, very truly encouraging. Even I felt like, is the recipe even worth submitting? Even I got the feeling, but after seeing her message, I got motivated.
Absolutely. And then being selected is the icing on the cake. That's a different thing completely.
icing, chocolate icing.
Absolutely. Yeah, I'm off for chocolate anytime in the day. And see, the whole healthy baking has not just changed about how I use baking. From being someone who doesn't know the difference between a couverture and a compound, today I'm completely into only couverture, and I'm even learning how to make couverture chocolates and work with them. So from baking to being a chocolatier, it's a journey for me. Just at the fag end of completing my course to being a chocolatier. So even that is done.
Wow.
So compound is ruled out, maida is ruled out, the white sugars are ruled out for us. So it's now even the kids are like, Amma, this is not compound, right? That's what they ask me first. I said, like, we don't have compound in our home anymore.
See?
It's completely washed off our kitchen. So it's a big transformation, actually.
I saw a notice on OMBC that I think from October we will not be even, mentioning brown sugar.
Yes.
Yeah. So since the question has come up, I will answer it. So see, the problem with brown sugar, okay, the way brown sugar is sold in India is basically white sugar with a coating of brown, है ना?
Molasses covered with molasses.
Caramel is somewhere what I read.
Caramel भी नहीं होता काफी बारी, Rama. Sometimes it's not even caramel.
वो white हो जाता है when you do it. So
you
what
can
I
see
did
the
is,
color changes. So people, they think everybody's foolish, so they will sell it like that. People will buy it and then they will never try to experiment. They will never try to dissolve. I'm not sure what they think actually, people who sell it like that. So it's specifically for that kind of sugar, that when you get this granulated brown sugar, okay, which is coated, which is, like I said, if it's granulated and it looks like white sugar, which has a layer of brown, and is sold as brown sugar, that's not brown sugar. That is white sugar being sold as brown sugar.
So what I have done is,
sensitize people. Yeah.
What I have done is, even in my normal tea, I have stopped sugar at all.
Correct.
I have started putting jaggery powder.
Correct. Jaggery powder is the best.
Absolutely.
But Anju, you know what happens? A lot of people, even when selecting jaggery, यार एकदम सफेद चिकना वाला जो है ना वो लेके आते हैं. That is not what you should select. वो वाला
absolutely.
I think this makes sense buying that white ones. Absolutely.
Why do you want to have a bleached version of it? I'm not able to understand. You can't have the original.
Because people believe the darker it gets, the less appealing your bake or sweets or jo bhi hai.
हाँ,
But then I
that's
said, that's
true.
not what it is.
I
You're
think
using
that's true.
jaggery for a
Most of
certain
them
reason.
becomes brown in color, you know.
About
Jaggery तो हर बार एक ही color दिखता है. So that's
But you know, the
happening.
best thing about using the jaggery in your bakes, especially the cakes, even though if you're not planning to put the cocoa or chocolate, it will turn little yellowish. So,
So it
which
does.
is like, a better part. You don't have to do anything else if you're making a simple bake.
Naturally died actually.
Exactly. Even I've been buying this jaggery powder from Big Basket, that too organic. But
Right.
on the upper layer of the tea, I'm getting some black. I don't know what is this coming. So now I'm sourcing the shakkar, the purest
Oh.
form of shakkar.
Correct. Correct.
So that is how I am going one step ahead and
Absolutely.
changing more into my life, making more
Very true.
changes in my life.
Very true. No, I think that's also important. I think that's what we're seeing in the book also. I'm sure that you will see a lot of natural, locally sourced, like local names for a lot of the a lot of the ingredients that have been used. Uh, Sonal, Hema, Anuradha, any thoughts about being authors? I think any last thoughts before
Yeah,
we sign
one
off
like
for
I
the
would
day?
like to add is I am taking the book wherever I go actually to meet my friends or go to home. And my son is like, Mommy, Sonal, shit, it is here. Like he's super excited. He's all the time, it's become his guide, you know. He's just with those three books, you know, all the time. Just reading and reading. He likes reading a lot and he has got these
Lovely.
books now. He's saying, Mommy, we should try this. And if he sees any other author, na, Mummy, I think we should meet this lady, I mean this auntie, so that we can go and eat these cookies. I said, she has written the recipe, not selling the cookies.
She's not selling the cookie. She's given Mama the recipe to make. Tell Mama to
Yeah.
make. Better still, tell Papa to make.
Yes.
So even my kids, as soon as we
Even
received
better.
the book, they were very excited to open it, and now every day they choose. They keep their finger on the recipe. Today you will be making this one.
See?
Today you will be making this one. They've been telling me to do like that.
So
It
nice.
was
See,
very,
I
very
think children.
overwhelming for me to, for most of us, I think it's a new experience. We have never, even thought that our recipes can even get onto a book, because
Yeah.
it's always experimental with our families, and it was like really, really very overwhelming, and I was literally on cloud nine. And my mother-in-law, father-in-law, everybody, my in-laws, they were very, very happy when they saw the name on my book. My parents, my husband, kids, everybody was so happy.
Yeah, I think a lot of us have had our families have been so excited to see, that
Excited to
we've.
see. Yeah.
Yes. Michelle, what were you saying, Hema? Sorry, go ahead.
No. Everyone is very happy, especially we bakers. We are very happy that the book, our recipe is published in a book, and it's the first one, no. So everybody will be excited. I was very shocked and surprised when my you sent the mail that is your recipe has been selected. I even messaged Simran privately. It's really true. It's really true. And she said, "Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah, you have to send all the recipes. Please send it back, with pictures once again, and your recipe has been selected." So it's very. I'm really honored. Really honored. Thank you, Samira and Simran, for giving such an opportunity
Really.
to be published in my recipes in my book.
I would
Very
say we have
happy.
put
Actually,
so much
actually,
effort,
one
you
more
know.
thing. One more thing I have to tell. Don't
Yeah.
mistake me, because I'm not a usual talker. I'm a silent watcher only. So I am hearing all the, hearing, just watching and hearing. So don't mistake me. I'm not just talking. Just I'm hearing. No, I'm not over talker. A habit
No,
of.
but I'm super impressed. Like, but I still cannot wrap my head around some grandmother who bakes healthy. Seriously, I want more and more people, to really learn from that. I'm not saying this just for the heck of it. I really feel that is a big change, and it's so
Yes.
I
difficult
was
actually,
about to
because
say
we've
she
grown up
is
in a
the true
certain way of eating.
inspiration.
Thank you, Simran. Thank you. Because, but I
She is
love to
the
bake. I love to bake more, and I'm still learning.
See,
Though I
that's
do
why.
breads, cakes, and biscuits, but still learning. Though my daughters tell me it's very good, but still sometimes the flavors won't come up. Sometimes the flavors, the sweetener will be very less. Last time I made it with one chocolate cake. The sweet was not too much, because as we are putting the cocoa powder, the sweet should be
Yeah.
balanced,
Balanced, right?
As I used the brown sugar, but the sweet was not. I'm not satisfied. But the kids are telling, no, my the flavor wise, everything is good. So as a baker, I'm still learning, and I'm very poor in this ganache and frosting. Still, I have to learn.
But don't worry, I'm in the same boat. I can't frost to save my life.
Yeah, me too, me too. I don't like to make a frost actually. I feel
Can't
like
frost to
it's
save my
just like
life.
that.
Because they want to see the cakes. I am very eager to see what the cakes will be sold in the shops. I want to bake like that and decorate like that. So I'm still learning.
Recently, I brought this coconut cream. I want to try it actually. I've just
Yeah.
brought it the tin and kept
Cream
let me
works
see.
is still good. Yeah, it's still all. It tastes really yum as per me. It tastes yum in most
Simran,
of
I
the
think
books.
you need to do a session on using flowers like jackfruit flower, banana
Yep.
flower, and because those I have never heard of those kind of
Yeah, I've
flowers.
baked actually with a lot of flowers. I've baked with a lot of flowers.
I
I think
know.
I've eaten a
I
lot of
see
the
your
disasters also.
Instagram post. It's like, "मैं क्या क्या
Yeah, I
कहाँ
eat
कहाँ
a
से
lot of,
निकालती है?"
and I eat a lot. Nahi, I actually, that's what I think. What Hema is saying, I mean, I think that's the biggest thing that I think I really love to learn. Okay, frankly, I'm not,
Learn.
I just want to do something new. I just want to know something new.
Think.
So for me, it's a constant thing in my mind. It just keeps playing. That
Yeah.
why should I not try this?
Yeah.
What have I not tried so far?
How it is not?
You know
How it is not coming? Why
Right.
it is not
Correct.
coming for
That
me?
I am. That's what why is it not coming like that? What is it that What is it
Yeah.
that's not working? Why should I not explore this combination? So I think those things. I will definitely do a session on sometime and share
People
my
think it's
obsession
weird,
to
but I
experiment.
think you should be open for such options. People
Absolutely.
think it's
Yeah.
weird, why you have to
Nahi,
use this floor or
see,
that
I think
floor,
the
but I
openness
think
comes. No, but you know what? The openness comes when you know that you are going to eat it if nobody else eats it. So
correct.
I
That
eat
is true.
everything. I eat everything which is possible to eat. I mean, for the large part, I've been vegan, and I've been vegetarian for 7, 8 years now. All of last year, because I was trying the recipes and tasting, so I was not vegan. But I think. It's so, which is why I'm saying, if it is possible for me to eat it, I will definitely eat it. So even if it's a disaster, so I think that makes a big difference. I think it was so nice to talk to all of you. Sorry for that
Yeah.
a little bit of delay. I think we had a little delay, but I'm hoping that all of you enjoyed talking to
Absolutely.
Samira and
Really
me.
enjoyed.
Really nice.
And
We
I'm
Yeah.
can go
sure
on and on actually. Still
that's what
continue
I'm
it.
saying. This is the thing with, I think we can definitely keep talking. I don't think there is an end to, our conversation, especially because everybody is on the same, we have the
Same.
same way of thinking,
Same
same
page. Yeah.
wavelength. You're talking about stuff which is of interest to everybody. All of us have,
Exactly.
similar interests. So I think that makes a big difference.
I
So,
would like to
yeah,
mention
yeah, go
just
ahead.
one thing.
Go ahead.
See, I have a traditional oven. I think many of you would be aware of that. In Rajasthan, they make a dish called dal bati, right?
Yeah,
Hmm.
Part of India. So they bake batis in a cooker, right? It's called a
yeah.
bati cooker. So actually, I don't know own oven. I have that only. So all my baking is done in that. But like with all the post on OMBC, I'm able to assess. Okay, this is the temperature. It would require on a oven. So all my baking is done on that only. It is a gas top cooker. It's a
Yeah.
traditional oven.
Traditional one.
I
Yeah.
don't
Good.
own
Good.
a proper that
Oven. Yeah. Oven.
convection oven. Yeah. I
Yeah,
Good.
that's
bake in
interesting.
that way. And it's really nice, because
Yes.
somehow I feel I'm able to control the temperature because since it's a gas
Correct.
knob, if I want, I
Hmm.
can keep it on full. If I
Increase or
want, I can
decrease.
keep it on full.
Yeah, I think that gives you a little bit of control over your baking.
Yeah.
So there is I can always avoid the burning part.
Burning part.
I think that's a great tip for everybody who wants to bake also on the gas top, and sometimes the electricity goes or power goes and all of that. So thank you so much for all of you for joining us, and I'm hoping you'll have a very nice rest of the weekend. And I love chatting with all of you. So I'm hoping that whenever things become all right, if you are in Bombay, Samira's there. If you are in Pune slash I'm going back to Bangalore. So if you're in Bangalore, come to Bangalore. I think that is where fairly, you have a home in both these
I
places.
have my sister-in-law in Bangalore, and
Aa jao, aa
this is
jao, aa jao.
in my future plan. Then whenever I'm coming to Bangalore, I'm going to meet you all,
For
whosoever
sure.
is there in
नहीं, you
Bangalore.
all में मतलब जो बैंगलोर में होंगे उनसे मिलोगे ना.
Obviously,
You are
मैंने fabulous ये बोला. You are there,
this
then
list
there's
में
a
I think
lot of
सिर्फ Sonal
bakers.
और मैं हैं. I think only Sonal
Yeah.
and me are from Bangalore.
नहीं,
At this
I'm
point
talking
in
about the other people also from the group.
हाँ, yes, you'll
वो,
have tons
the
of
whole,
people
you know,
who will be
it's
very happy
better
to
to
meet.
meet. ज्यादा लोगों से मिलने में ज्यादा मजा आएगा ना.
हाँ,
इसलिए.
that's what, so, I'm sure when things become all right, we'll definitely meet.
Sure,
Okay?
Absolutely.
Chalo.
It was great
Thank you.
chatting with you
Thank
Very
all.
nice speaking to all of you.
Very
Yeah,
Have a
thank
great
you. It was
weekend
really
nice
nice.
meeting you all. Bye.
Take
Nice
care.
meeting you all.
Bye.
Bye, Samira.
Bye bye.
Bye, Samira. Although you talk very less, but bye bye.